Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Busy morning today out here at the park. Felt like flying some line of sight today, and I brought out my Cheerson CX30. And if you guys remember, the last time I was flying this guy, the prop kept flying off. I was trying all these different types of remedies and everything. So I stuffed something up in there to get this prop to fit a little more tighter. It's this one right here, right there. And so this battery pretty much is the same battery that I've been using for years. It's been holding out because I can't get the battery out of the battery bay. It's stuck in there. I guess if I took this thing apart, I can pry it out of there, whatnot, push it from the inside. But it's been working. So if it ain't broke, I don't try to fix it. Not too much anyway. But let's get this guy in here. Bought my jumper TS8G out here just because I haven't been using it. Hopefully it's the correct antenna for it. That's the issue I've been having with this TSG or TS8G, I think it is. Seems like it's the right one. Try flip. I was doing some multiple flips with this guy. I'm afraid to do it now that the way things have been going for me. I'm thinking this prop might fly off on me. And I think that happened too out here. I lost the darn prop. Whoa, almost flew into the tree. I cut throttle real fast and then recovered from it. So before I try that, I want to at least get some flying in. Oh! Doing some weed whacking out here, I guess. This guy sounds like an angry bumblebee. And it's fast. This guy is fast. Definitely can get away from you. Okay, I want to at least try it before I lose the ability to flip. Let's try one. Oh, I thought the light was flashing on this guy. Let's try it. Sheesh. That was awesome. Was that a quintuplet flip? I don't know. Uh-oh, my transmitter is beeping. The battery is always dying on something, right? Had to get another one off. It's doing some diagonal stuff. Sheesh, and Dragonfly tried to take it out. The last minute he realized it wasn't something he could kill. Oh, it's not flipping anymore. It's trying to go up on me. And it went down. And that's the battery, because it was trying to go up in the air. It does that when it's at LVC. It'll try to go up, it'll give a bunch of throttle, and then it'll come down and land. And we finished just in time. Sounds like somebody's tearing up the street back there. And so, quick little morning fix of the Cheerson CX-30. A classic, guys. Thanks for watching.